Today we're going to look at the various components that make up the Land Rover models made by Britain's Farm Toys. The Britain Land Rovers are basically all the same. The only thing that really changes is the shell itself right here. You can make it a Defender or a Series. And the towing hook also changes. The more modern ones is a hook itself. And you can see they've hardly changed from the Series to Series 3. That's a Series 1. You can see in the last 30 years of it being produced, it hasn't really changed. My son's managed to break this apart somehow. I don't know how he's managed to do it, but let's take advantage of this and have a look at everything. The whole thing's held together with just one pin. It's a threaded pin, if you can see. There's probably a better view of it there. So all the parts are really simple. You got your locking pin, your wheels with the axles. The wheels just stay on the axle itself. Your towing arm, steering wheel, chassis, 4 springs for suspension, body shell, interior with your man. So let's put this back together. Just turn your shell upside down, put your steering wheel in, put your man in. Now we've got to put our suspension in, so just the 4 springs. So make sure everything's sitting properly, then add the wheels on. One set. Second set. And now we can put the chassis on. So just hooks in the end first, backwards, and then push it on. There you go. What's left is the pin. So I'm going to glue this in with some super glue. So let's get a bit of super glue. Now I'm just going to get a screwdriver just to force the rivet down into the car, and hopefully that will set in place. Now I'm just going to get a screwdriver and a hammer, just tap it into place. So that works. Suspension. Here's the Defender, as you can see, same chassis. And this is one of the limited edition Series 1, totally different. There's no towing package on the back.